Hello, I'm Dummies, RPA expert at SAP. Welcome to this first module of RPA for Dummies. I'm going to show you some examples of what can be improved, what not simply solved, with RPA. Let's go. First use case. The user follows a process in which he has to check different sites. The goal is to transform the prospect into a customer. My God! 7 website or application to visit with as an input, the first name and birth date. Always the same boring and time-consuming task. With a robot, the story is different. All applications and websites are used at the same time because the robot is able to work on parallel and provide a result for each search. Duration is almost divided by 7, and the user is satisfied. Okay, sometimes the robot using strict rules considers that it can't validate the search. In that case, the user takes the control and decides whether or not the prospect can be validated. Really, we can say that the robot augments humans. Second use case. A customer broke down his car and needs to go back home. No problem. The process is on track, if I can say. The user must first locate the start and end points, find the distance between them using a geolocation application or website. Then, because the price depends on the size of the cities, the day and time of pickup, he has to get information in an Excel mapping table. In coming back to his business application, he is able to fill all the required fields in order to complete the file. And finally, validate and close. Oops, sorry, I forgot to say that the customer is online, a little annoyed by what happened and reluctant to listen to the user spend time looking for information. Okay, now, good news, the user's got an assistant. A robot takes in charge the distance search part, consultations of the Excel sheet, and entry of the majority of the necessary information. Of course, the user keeps the control, checks all the information, validates and closes the file. He can talk with empathy with the customer, who is quickly informed with the next steps. Sure, the customer is less annoyed. The third use case is a bit different. We are facing a change in the process. If someone needs a new laptop, for example, license or any equipment. Up to now, he has to send an email in the support team describing the request. On the support side, an asset management application, very powerful, but at the same time complicated enough to manage requests. The result is an increase in the time to satisfy the user. Okay, let's add a new SLA. Only 1 day to take the request into account. And you've got a problem. The IT found a solution in developing a simple web app. The user fills the form, and that's it. The problem is the same. No link between the web app and the asset management system. Got to copy and paste each morning all the information between the two for all requests. Here's the robot. On one side, the web app. On the other side, the asset management system. Every morning, the robot creates alone more than 100 requests in the system and gives a report on what has been done. The support team can focus on high-value tasks. That's it. And to finish with this example, we found this case because the time or the budget were lacking. Time or budget are often key points to promote the robots. Okay, I presented you 3 use cases of what is possible to implement. Actually, these 3 projects have been implemented yet. There surely can be examples for others. There are many examples of automation projects to free the user from repetitive and tedious tasks. The next movie will go deeper in the way to find simple but efficient automations. Okay, this is the end of this module. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to watch the complete series of RPA for Dummies.